Hello, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this Kansas City Pocket Watch. There it is. So, there's a little slit, or a little mark. I don't know how well you can see it right there. So you just take like a little screwdriver or knife. You can pop that off. And then this part, this part come out. So that just pops right off like that. It's got a little indent right here. That is where this piece goes when you put it back together. And then this right here is your battery. This is a 377 or SR636 in this case. Now if I can get that to the battery, it'll just pop right out. And then get your new one, place it right in there. There we go. And you're reassembling it, just make sure that piece is right there, and it'll just set right in. And this, I just lined up where the notch is right there with the bottom of the case to make it easier. Most watches you'll actually have a set spot where that has to go, but this one doesn't. So it's right there, if you can see it, and then it's all set. All right.